lockdown मैं घर गया था. One uncle, he met me after 15 years. First thing, he looked at me. First thing after 15 years, he had to say to me was, "तू कितना मोटा हो गया है?" I didn't have one comeback for him. वो मेरे अंकल हैं. I ended up saying, "तुम कितने बुड्ढे हो गए हो?" Think about it. I'll try for 1 year. मैं शायद I'll lose some weight. He will try for a year. He will die. एक फ्रेंड तो आके सीधा, लाइक स्कूल का फ्रेंड है मेरा, आके बोला तेरे मैन मूव्स हैं. मैंने कहा अच्छा, तुझे कैसे पता चला? What were you looking for that you discovered? Who's the dirty one now? बहुत प्रेशर होता है, प्रेशर होता है. रोहित, in which company do you, may I ask?
I work in PepsiCo.
You work in? Capsicum? Oh, PepsiCo. My bad. Sorry. वो मास्क लगाते हो ना, अब तो फिल्टर हो जाता है. या लॉकडाउन ने सबकी मार के रखी है ना. I know. Things have gone really bad. See, what happened was, before lockdown, I used to, look at the larger picture, bigger picture, जो भी कहते हैं. During lockdown, I started paying attention to small things, which actually matter. Then I came up that there are a lot of taboo things that we don't talk about, which matter a lot. One such taboo subject, I know things are going to get a little uncomfortable, guys, here, okay? Alright, so I have warned you. Let's talk about farts. There is no education for it. कोई भी किताब में नहीं लिखा है. We have sex education, we do not have fart education. We grow up not knowing how to handle it. The perpetrator, the victim, both unprepared. I realized how good they are for us. Disagree? In the next 2 minutes, I'll prove you wrong. All of you, those who work in office environments, लिफ्ट के अंदर जब भरा हुआ रहता है, राइट? 9 to 11. Think about this. You want to clear off that lift? 7 से पहले आपको 5th floor पे लिफ्ट खाली करना है. You know what to do. And here's the fun part. Even if you fart, and people stare at you, just slightly look at the guy next to you and do like this. That guy he is, maligned for life. Anyone here ever has loose motions? Ever? Sorry? Yeah, everyone has. No one talks about it. See, I was talking about taboo. We are not taught to talk about it openly. After you have suffered loose motion. See, loose motion जब शुरू होता है सबको पता होता है. When you are cured of it, किसी को पता नहीं है. You can never claim at this point of time, this time and date, I was cured of loose motion. No. Because by the time you realize something coming, and you realize it's only air. It may sound dirty, but decide, guys. तुम खुश नहीं होते? अरे यार मैं ठीक हो गया. When you have loose motions, what do you pray for? If you are outside, भगवान जो भी हो, don't make me sneeze. Yeah, and that's why we don't realize it. Imagine, what is the first symptom of having COVID infection? Loss of olfactory sensation, which is taste and smell. If you fart and you can smell it, aren't you happy you are corona free? Yeah. Now do you respect it more? यहाँ पे सेल फोन चार्जर है क्या? Like everyone is coming here and like phone ready हो रहा है. I was like, wow. मैं भी लगा देता. There used to be a time when you ask someone, भाई, if you are traveling and all, train में, plane में, भाई चार्जर है क्या? And you give them the micro USB cable. They're like, तू ही मेरा सही भाई है. You're a savior for that person, right? That moment. Now things have changed so much, right? Someone asks you for a charger cable, you give it to C-type नहीं है. मतलब तो गरीब में भी पोश है. कुछ लोग तो हद कर देते हैं. In my office, this happened last year actually. I gave out my charger, I gave the power bank. That guy looks at me and says, फास्ट चार्जिंग नहीं है। मैंने कहा तुझे 9 आवर्स यहीं बैठना है, व्हाई डू यू नीड फास्ट चार्जिंग? Corporate jobs are like that, man. Seriously. Some people have reached a height of ass licking so much ना, उनके managers ने toilet paper खरीदना बंद कर दिया। Once again, taboo, but you know it's a fact. You know which guy in your office I'm talking about. You look at it and you will imagine. अरे, उसको पूछना है मैनेजर ने कल रात को क्या कहा था? I'm just kidding. Don't ask that. Because most of us are on Zoom meetings. That's a very inappropriate question to ask. Huh? Yeah. I was telling you that I drive a Nano. I know. It's unbelievable. First victim of that unbelievableness was my dad. Okay. I'm from a middle class family. My dad, middle class dads, they will give you any reason to make you not do something, right? My dad goes, मत खरीद. मैंने कहा, why? उसमें सीट बेल्ट नहीं है। मैंने कहा है, मुझे नहीं आता है। Then he goes off on a tangent. Don't take, उसमें airbag नहीं है। मैंने कहा तो क्या, मेरा है। He's like, in case of a high speed crash, मैंने कहा dad, hold on. You are not supposed to use nano and high speed and crash in the same sentence. Yeah, I know. You know what they say about nano? What do they say about Nissan Sunny? It's not a car, it's a car. Just like that, nano is car. Someone's flashing a light at me. I'll end with this. You know what's common between a stand-up comedian and a person shitting on railway track? When you see a light from afar, your time is up. You guys have been a great audience. Thank you. Back to our house.